the one big thing is the capex, definitely. So even though it was only 10% for the full year, but if we look at the past 3 quarters of historical numbers, so that implies fourth quarter capex is being cut by 1/3. So while a lower capex usually means a slightly lower growth outlook, in the short term, however, it does soothe some of the worries of an very sharp inventory correction, which leads to lower prices. So at least now we see a potential bottom for semiconductor prices.
Now, we've heard from many of its peers in recent days. Yesterday, it was from AMAT. We've heard from Samsung Electronics, a number of the players over in the United States. TSMC, though, has warned of weaker demand, but they typically have outperformed the industry. Do you expect this to continue to be so?
Yeah, I do think TSMC will outperform its peers, especially like UMC, SMIC. If you look at, from a lenses of several years. One major contributor to that is it has an oligopolistic position in the advanced nodes. So anything more advanced than 14 nanometers is only manufactured at scale by 2 to 3 foundries, Samsung, TSMC, and to a lesser extent SMIC for 14 nanometers.
The market has been very worried ever since President Biden has tightened those curbs on chips to China and what that impact will look like on the semiconductor industry. First, we heard confirmation from SK Hynix getting a license from the United States. TSMC has also confirmed the same. What do you make of the implications, the impact on the chip makers on the back of the U.S.-China chip curbs?
So I would say the license that TSMC obtained, which they confirmed yesterday, pertains only to construction or expansion that has already begun. So that means I would expect a far more difficult situation if TSMC tries to justify fresh expansion plans in China. But I would expect a limited impact for its new fabs in Japan as well as in Arizona.